The week-long celebration of the 67th All India Cooperative Week culminated today at Yojana Bhavan, Main Secretariat, Shillong. The celebration was organized by the Department of Cooperation, Government of Meghalaya, Office of the Registrar of Cooperative Societies, Meghalaya. Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited, Shillong, in collaboration with the state-level cooperative federations. The theme of the celebration is COVID Pandemic Atmanirbhar Bharat Cooperatives. As part of the celebration, 3 booklets documenting the successes and achievements of different cooperative societies in the state were also released. Shri K.N. Kumar, Chairman Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission, in his address as the chief guest, said that cooperation as a sector is important in traditional societies, adding that Meghalaya, being a cohesive community, can work together and develop a strong bond for cooperative spirit. Shri Kumar stressed on the 2 important missions being implemented in the state, the Milk Mission and Piggery Mission, where he emphasizes that these missions can transform the lives and economic condition of the farmers and can boost the GDP of the state significantly. He also pointed out to various fields of activities involving cooperative sectors in the state, such as tourism, fisheries, handloom, and handicraft manufacturing, and said that these activities can spin the wheel of development in the state and can become a major source of employment generation for people of all ages. Shri G.H.P. Raju, Principal Secretary Cooperation, in his welcome speech said that the plan of the celebration is to highlight the successes and achievements of the cooperative movement and also chalk out the future strategies for strengthening the cooperative movement in the state and country. He said that for cooperative societies to succeed, one has to have motivation and willingness to strategize and strengthen the movement. The program was concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Dr. D. Vijay Kumar, Secretary Cooperation.
The Cooperation Department, with the help and assistance from the other departments like Agriculture, Animal Husbandry, the Food Processing, and the newly created the Textile Departments, we are supposed to conduct a market survey, identify the produce which has the maximum demand, then accordingly approach the cooperative society members to encourage them to form into the cooperative societies, and the necessary skills and the working capital and the equipment required to produce that demanded produce is the aim and objectives of the cooperation department, sir. In this direction, in fact, we have adopted the policy of can we create value instead of capturing value in any cooperative movement. The classic examples are very recently launched. The Piggery Mission, with the total investment of roughly around 209 crores, funded by the National Cooperation Development, the Commission Government of India, and it's called NCDC. The main object behind this, the Piggery Mission, sir, is engaging the cooperative societies. The cooperative societies are the front runners for execution of this Piggery Mission with the twin objectives, that is capturing the market. Actually, sir, there is a huge demand for the pork. The Meghalaya market is number 1. There is a deficit of roughly around 6,500 metric tons of the deficit of the pork availability in our societies, in our state. So the Piggery Mission is a very timely intervention with the financial loan from the Government of India to bridge this gap with the active participation of the cooperative societies. In this direction, the field officers, through coordinated effort from the cooperation department as well as the animal husbandry department field officers, they conducted the survey, identified nearly 120 vibrant and very active the cooperative societies, those with the proven capacity and the caliber to handle piggery related activities like breeding and the fattening. So this is a very good step in the right direction, and the NCDC project of this, especially the Piggery Mission, before the 2018, sir, we have launched the Milk Mission, where nearly around 41 vibrant dairy cooperative societies are in the forefront, and they are succeeded to a great extent, making milk as a part of our daily menu. Otherwise, sir, in the tribal daily menu, the milk is not a part and parcel of that, unlike the people. I am from Andhra Pradesh, so where the milk and the milk related produce like the curd is a part part and parcel of every meeting. And we are grateful to the local people, and we are very happy to place on record the efforts of these 41 vibrant dairy cooperative societies to impress upon the local people.
In fact, one of the offshoots of this is the emergence of the IEC. Too much regulation will kill the spirit of cooperation. All of us will have to do some attitudinal shift, some self-introspection. Is it really what we want? What do we want at the end of the day? The sector should grow. If the sector should grow, we should use our authority to the least extent. Authorities will be there, acts will be there, because they are all products of a particular historical time. The times have changed. Things have to change. If we want things to change, then we should begin that change with us. Within us, there are problems. We somehow want to exercise control, we want to regulate, we want to control people, we dismiss them. Instead of helping them, we are actually ending up out of this how we got society. 600 don't function at all. If 600 don't function, who's responsible? The cooperatives or the officers who are supposed to motivate them and inspire them and take them to the next level? Who actually is responsible here? I think all of us that it goes to. Somewhere we need to break free from this kind of thing. You have to raise it to at least 5 times in order to ensure that our children get enough milk. Now today, it's a reversible process. I want you to know this. Children are stunted. One is a temporary stunting, which can be immediately remediated by giving them milk at the right time and giving them sufficient kind of proteins. Then there is another phase. When the children remain like that for slightly longer period, they become wasted. There is another one. One is stunted and another is wasted. Now once you are declared as falling in the category of wasted, then you won't grow anymore. I mean, give you any amount of protein in after, it doesn't make any difference to you. And you remain like that.
So I think the way this whole program has been organized, the way in which we have documented the various cooperative societies, the way in which this whole packaging of the products has been done, I hope there are no more surprises. If there are more, we will be happy. But I think this is a long list. It's really, I think, I'm sure it's a team effort of the entire RCS office under your leadership. So thank you and compliments to the entire team. I want to just add to already, I think, both the Principal Secretary and the Chairman of the Farmers Commission have, in detail laid out the importance of the department. You all know I've been with this department now for a year and a half. And of course, in 2011 to 13, I was also the RCS. So we know a lot, we know each other for many years now. And I think what the Chairman of the Panel, the Farmers Commission was saying is absolutely right, which is the department has to rise to the occasion. I mean, we have been doing few things. I mean, if there are any failures, I think all of us should take those responsibility for those failures, because we were all, we led the department in the past, we are leading the department now. The issue, I think two core issues which he has raised, which I want to re-emphasize, and that's what we have been, in fact, in the last review meeting, we had a review meeting here 2 months ago or 1 month ago, where we were addressing all the officers, is this whole thing of our regulatory mindset. When people are coming to form cooperative societies, officers, I got replies, I know who, all of you know these replies we heard. This is the application has been rejected. On what grounds? It doesn't comply with the Act. These are meaningless answers. We told this before also, but I want to remind. Because today, one is, of course, in the state, we have the Pilgrim Mission, we have the Milk Mission. There is a third, very important one, which is nationally happening, which is characterization of farmers. The entire agriculture today, agriculture sector, if you look at the emphasis of the government of India, is to form FPOs and collectives of farmers. What are collectives of farmers? Cooperatives only. The most well-known and well-established and tested collective is a cooperative society. Though Government of India is also pushing these farmer-producer companies, but many states have already declared that company structure is very hard for the farmers to run. So cooperatives emerges as the default farmers collective. So today, Government of India Agriculture Ministry's top agenda is to promote collectivization of farmers.